Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join eBay Live. So let's get straight into it. Now you can join through a website or through the app notification. So today we will go through the website. Now just type into the Google eBay Live Hub, click on it, and it will open up eBay Live. Now you can choose here whatever you prefer. So let's go and choose comics like so. And now we have some live events. So currently only users registered in the US can participate. So this is a little bit the downside. So if you are USA resident, then you can participate in these live events. You can also enable the notifications. So if you go here to your name and then account settings, there you will see the option of settings option of notification, and there you can enable those alerts for upcoming shows. You can also select it right here, that you press like that onto the which you want to be alerted to. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Nice way to have this. And yeah, this is how you can join. Now if we click on it, we will see that it's really live. Okay. Okay. And you can also see that you can bid to these comics right here. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.